Day 5, and I'm still alive. Day 5 on the 369 build. I'm excited to show you what the finished floor looks like in the daylight. Looks pretty good, huh? My friends put down this protective sheet in the center so I don't drop stuff and mess up the floor and like I'm prone to do. And no, I haven't forgotten about this little piece here that I left out. I'm going to be putting that in today. But the main thing I'm going to be doing is running power cable to the future air conditioner that's going to sit right on that back wall, and also there's going to be one on the front wall, which I just didn't show you the front because I figured you know that it's the opposite of the back. But we're going to be running the cable for it today, so let's get at it. Now I'm going to take off this back panel to fish the wire through to the wall. And these screws are pretty rusted, but hopefully I won't have too much of a problem. That was ridiculous. All to run a power cord. You know who thinks they have power on the bus? The safety patrol. Yeah, I had a friend who was a bus safety patrol. She was the nicest person until she became a safety patrol. And then she got power hungry. She got on the bus one day after school wearing that strange orange-colored cross-bodied bandolier looking thing. And she just was a changed person, you know. She sat next to me on the bus, and as we're riding home, I did what I always did, stick my head out the window, pretending to be a dragonfly. She's like, hey, you can't do that. That's not safe. You're going to get hit with a tree limb or a low-flying plane. She was right about the tree limb. I don't know about the low-flying plane thing, but anyway, she was like, I'm going to write you up. She was right, so, you know, I didn't say anything. But then she just wanted to write everybody up, you know? She's like, hey, what's Mike doing up there? I'm like, sounds like he's singing a bad rendition of Purple Rain. She said, well, the bus driver told us to be quiet. You know, we can't hear instructions when he's singing or trying to sing. I'm like, well, you know, I agree it's bad, but, you know, great song. Just he's not doing a good job of it. She goes, that's not what I mean. I'm going to write him up. It's not safe. So finally, I had to call her on it. I'm like, look, you just can't be doing this. You're just going crazy with power. She goes, you see this badge? I'm like, yeah? And she goes, it says Bus Safety Patrol. You see that? I'm like, well, you know, it's made out of cheap plastic, and the letters are kind of smudged. I can't really tell if that's what it says or Bus Smurf Patrol, but you're not blue, so I'm gonna have to take your word for it. She's like, well, she goes, they only pick the most conscientious, the most honest students to make sure that they report everything they see that could be unsafe on the bus to the bus driver so that none of you guys get hurt. I'm like, I don't know if that's true. You know, I kind of think I could show up tomorrow wearing some suspenders angled across my body with a cheap belt buckle on it, and people think I was a bus safety patrol. Well, that was it for Carrie. At that point forward, she thought I was on the wrong side of the law. Maybe she was right. I was an outlaw riding the bus. I'm a changed man now. I'm not an outlaw anymore. Very, very safe. And you know what? I guess I owe it to you, Carrie, the bus safety patrol. You changed me. You helped me see the evil of my ways. And you know what? I no longer stick my head out the window. Especially when we go near an airport.